Good morning, students. In this class, we will revise the chapter Adjectives. So, let us have a quick recapitulation of the chapter. What is called adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. It can be placed after verb. For example, the rope is strong. The rope is strong. Now you can see here it is a verb and it is adjective. It can be placed before noun. For example, beautiful girl. It is adjective and this is noun. This is verb, right? Most adjectives can come after the adverb very. For example, the boy is very intelligent. So, very is the adverb and this is adjective. Adjectives can be used for comparison also. For example, positive, comparative and superlative. For example, in positive degree, the adjective will be strong. In comparative, stronger. And in superlative, strongest. Right? We know in general, adjectives indicate the quality of the noun. For example, I have written already beautiful girl. So, beautiful is the quality or good boy. So, this good is the quality. There are several adjectives to indicate the quantity. We often question with how much. For example, little hope. Little. Again, some milk. Some. These are adjectives. There are several adjectives indicating the numbers. We often question with how many. For example, 3 boys, many students. How many? Many students. How many boys? 3 boys. Understood? And we know there are several adjectives also indicating the possession. These are called possessive adjectives. It shows a type of possession in between the thing and its owner. For example, my cycle. Whose cycle is this? My cycle. So, you can see there is a possession. This cycle is whose? This is mine, right? Then comes interrogative adjective. Adjectives often ask a question to modify the noun. For example, which bag? What color? Whose book? So, these are interrogative adjectives, right? And then comes what? Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives expresses the position of the noun. Okay, for example, this flower, that flower. So, you can see with this, we can understand the flower is near to us. That is why this. And that flower is far away from us. That is why that. the demonstrative adjectives? These and those. Okay. Now we will solve the exercise. Just go to the worksheet section. You will have the exercise there. Open the exercise in front of you, and here I am to solve the exercise. Okay. Okay. So we'll begin with B. Choose the correct words to fill the blanks. I like dash colors. 3 options are given. Walk, dark, brightly. What will be the answer? Dark. So B1 will be dark. Number 2. Charumati is very dash. 3 options are given. Studying, winner, or intelligent. Obviously intelligent because it shows the quality of Charumati. So second answer will be intelligent. Third, is the cake dash? 3 options. At, tasty, bake. You are asking how is the cake? By asking is the cake tasty? Again it is the quality of the cake. Right? Number 4. The travelers were worried because they did not have dash water. Options. Plenty, no, enough. What will be the answer? Plenty. Because it shows quantity. Right? Number 5. Who is dash? Vima or Nakula? Now we can see there is a comparison, and we have already learned that adjectives can be used also in case of comparison. As I wrote once, strong, stronger, strongest. So there, among these 3 options, what will be the suitable one? Who is dash? Bhima or Nakula? Leader, winner or stronger? Obviously stronger because it shows the comparison. Number 5 will be stronger. Okay. Number 6. Dash children drop out of school in villages. The options: 1, several, enough. What will be the answer? Several, right? Number 7. Are dash bicycles made of plastic? They are so dash. So are dash bicycles made of plastics? 3 options are given. Many, these, few. So what will be the answer? Are these bicycles made of plastic? So this is what? That is demonstrative adjective. So these. And second is what? They are so dash. 3 options. Red, none, light. So they are so light. Again it is the quality. Light. Then number 8. Dash paper do you read? Hindustan Times or the Pioneer? So 3 options are given. Which, whose, when. So what will be the suitable interrogative adjective? That is which. Which paper? Right? Number 9. Dash dog is chasing dash cat. So options are my, your, big, run, these, which. So what will be the answer? We can use here possessive adjective by writing your dog is chasing my cat or vice versa, right? Your dog is chasing my cat, or you can also write my dog is chasing your cat. Now number 10. The dash princess had a visitor from a dash city. So the dash princess. Three options are what? Grow, young and distant. What will be the answer? Obviously young. How is the princess? She is young. Young. Right? Then another is princess had a visitor from a dash city. So options are grow, young, distant, ride strongly, these. Obviously the answer will be distant. Distant. Distant means what? Far, right? Now exercise 3. Hopefully you have written. So I am going to rub this. C. Fill in the blanks with correct possessive adjectives. Now here you can see they have specified that you have to fill the blanks with possessive adjectives only. So here the first question is what? Sanjay and Leela have admitted dash son to Surya Valley School. So what will be the answer? Sanjay and Leela have admitted their son. First will be their. Number 2. A snake raises dash hood to frighten enemies. With snake, what possessive adjective goes? Eats. Number 3. Remove dash books from the dining table. Mother ordered Kanika. So remove your books from the dining table. Mother ordered Kanika. Answer will be your. Number 4. The TV show was about protecting dash environment, our environment. Our environment. Number 5. Dash father is a mountaineer, said Natasha. So you can write his father or you can also write my father, right? Both the answer will be accepted. His or mine. Or you can also write her also. Number 6. Mohit never lets anyone ride dash bicycle. Right? His bicycle. Number 7. Zoha will bring dash friend answer to the party. So Zoha will bring his friend answer to the party. Now comes exercise D. Write the correct demonstrative or interrogative adjectives in the blanks. So you can fill those blanks with either demonstrative or interrogative adjectives. So let us begin with the first one. Can you name dash building on the other side of the river? Now, we have already learned demonstrative adjectives often express the position of the noun. Right? The position either far or near. So, can you name dash building on the other side? So, on the other side, it is not very near to us. It's far. So, we'll write here that. First one will be that. Number 2. Dash skeleton of a baby dinosaur was brought here from Gujarat. So, what? These. Number 3. The waiting room was full of people. Little Catty started talking to one of dash strangers. one of those strangers. Number 4. Are dash flowers for me? Rekha asked with surprise. Are these flowers for me? Number 5. Dash subject do you like better? Maths or English? I like English. So the answer will be, which subject do you like better? Which? Number 6. Dash news did the messenger bring? So what news did the messenger bring? What? Number 7. Dash essay is the longest. Whose essay is the longest? So, here ends the exercise. All of you will get this exercise sheet there in the worksheet section. Now you try to solve on your own. Whenever you have any type of difficulty, then you can pause the video and you can have the answers. Hope this class was beneficial to you and you are clarified with all your doubts and queries. Now you try to solve the exercise on your own and do read the chapter well. Okay? And till then, take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.